Hi, my name is John Sweeney, and today we'll be taking the graphics card out of an HP8200. The first step, after you've disconnected all the cables, is to lift the tab here to remove the top cover. After you remove the top cover, the next step would be to lift the green tab above the graphics card. There is a black tab on the graphics card that you'll need to push to the side to remove the graphics card. Once you remove the graphics card, the next step would be to insert your new graphics card. Simply push down and it locks into place. The next step would be to lift the green tab and lock it in place. The next step is to place the top cover back on the computer. Once you have done this, you have successfully removed the graphics card.